Hello everyone, today I will explain to you the pygmy woodpecker. The pygmy woodpecker is the smallest woodpecker in the world. It is found in the Philippines, and what I saw is that it can peel off wood while it's pecking. And while the woodpecker is pecking the wood from a tree, the wood will sometimes fly off. They're mostly found in forests and on branches or the main parts of the tree. So, next, they are the male of the woodpecker has a red stripe on the back of its head, but the female is just brown and white. The main color of the woodpeckers is brown and white. It's similar to a zebra. It has it all over its body, and it has like a lightning bolt shape at the behind of its head. They also make this sound that sounds like a chainsaw slicing through metal, and in the middle of that chainsaw slicing metal, there will be another chainsaw. It sounds like another chainsaw turning on, and that's like like that.
Okay. And
And that's basically it, everyone. Bye.